Hey, remote professionals, welcome back. We have a new job opening for you today. This is going to be a data entry clerk. So you're going to be working from home, entering data, and you will be paid $17 to $23 per hour. This is a full-time position. This is going to give you the chance to work 100% from the comfort of your home via your computer. What you'll do is transfer data from paper formats via computer, recorders, or scanners. Enter data into appropriate fields, databases, records, etc., guys. And besides that, as far as requirements go, they definitely want you to have accurate and precise attention to detail, strong written and verbal communications. So we can see, guys, basically they just want you to have great soft skills. And the other thing that we want to pay attention to as well is going to be this typing speed, right? They don't give a specific speed, but they do mention several times in here that they want you to be able to type pretty fast. Typically, you're going to want probably about 45 to 55 words per minute. Just out of curiosity, in the comment section below, let us know how fast you type, okay? In the comment section, we will leave a typing speed test. You can use that to, see how fast you type. We are not affiliated with the typing speed test. We're just curious to see how fast everybody's typing. Let's try to hit 55 words per minute. Okay, but beyond that, they also want you to have some extensive knowledge in the Microsoft Office suite, particularly Excel spreadsheets. This is going to be pretty standard in almost any data entry any data entry job that you guys are going to be looking at. So definitely consider that. If you are not looking for this type of job, but you're looking for something else, take a look at this other job we posted the other day.